Good morning, children. Welcome to my class. So, today in our chapter, that is chapter 10, the wise investment. Okay, there is no wrong time to make the right decision. So, there is no wrong time. Sometimes we say it is our luck was not good or this time was not good for us, so that we made a wrong decision. But there is not like that. Okay. So, in this story, we will learn what is the meaning of this story or what this story tells us about the right or the wise investment. Okay. So, let us begin the story. In a village, there lived two friends, Tom and Jerry. Tom was not very wise. Jerry possessed good wisdom. Wisdom means having a good knowledge about taking the decision. Okay. One day, the two set out for the market in the nearby village to do some shopping. On reaching the marketplace, they were delighted to see the items for sale on display. So they were very happy to see the things that were displayed in the market. There were sweets, clothes, utensils, toys, birds, and pets on sale. Okay, so there were variety of things in sale. As they moved about, they caught sight of parrots. The two decided to buy some parrots, as they were very fond of birds. So they were very fond of birds, so they bought parrots. Okay. They inquired about the price from the seller. The seller said, "These parrots are rupees 50 each, and those others are rupees 5,000 each." The two friends asked the seller, "Why this difference in the prices?" The seller replied, "The ones that cost rupees 50 each are not wise. They can't be taught or trained to do anything. The costlier ones are wise and can learn many things." Tom, who was not very wise, decided to buy 10 of the cheaper parrots, while Jerry, the wiser one, decided to buy just one parrot of the costlier variety. Tom said to Jerry, "Don't be a fool. This one parrot will cost you rupees 5,000, while 10 of the cheaper parrots will cost you rupees 500 only. If you buy the cheaper variety, you will not only have more parrots, but will also save some handsome amount of money." Jerry listened to Tom patiently and simply smiled without saying anything. The two then made their purchases and left. The next day, Jerry started teaching this parrot. Soon, his parrot, a wise fellow, was well trained. On the other hand, Tom tried hard to teach these parrots, but they would not learn anything. One day, Jerry let his parrot fly away. After a few hours, his parrot, the wise one, returned with the 10 parrots of Jerry. Tom had lost all his parrots. Jerry had 11 parrots now, whereas Tom was left with none. So, in this story, we learn that right investment is better than a foolish investment.